In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download wallpapers from the Steam Workshop in just 5 minutes. If you're someone who loves to personalize your desktop and give it a fresh look with stunning wallpapers, then this video is perfect for you. Let's dive in and explore how you can download these amazing creations straight from Steam. First, you need to open your Steam app. If you don't have it installed, simply head over to the Steam website and download it. Once installed, open the app. You'll find yourself on the home page, which might look a little overwhelming to beginners, but don't worry, I'll guide you through each step. Next, go ahead and click on the login option. You'll find this in the upper right corner of your screen. It's crucial to log in to access and download content from the workshop, so enter your account name and password in the designated fields. Once you've filled in your credentials, click on the sign in button. Always make sure your login details are correct to avoid any interruptions. After successfully logging in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout of the Steam homepage. From here, you want to navigate to the Community tab located in the top menu. Clicking on this will bring up a drop-down menu with several options. The one you're interested in is Workshop, so go ahead and click on it. The Workshop is where all user-created content like wallpapers can be found. Now that you're in the Workshop, it's time to search for a specific tool that will unlock a new world of wallpapers, the Wallpaper Engine. In the search bar at the top, type in Wallpaper Engine and press enter. This will bring up a list of related content. Once you've found Wallpaper Engine, click the Browse button. From here, you want to specifically look for wallpapers, so click on that category. This section will show you a vast array of wallpapers contributed by users and ready for you to explore. At this point, you can start your search for the perfect wallpaper. Use the search tool to find anything that suits your style or piques your interest. Once you find something you like, click on the wallpaper to open its details page. Here you'll find more information about the wallpaper, including reviews and ratings from other users. The final step is easy and quick. Click on the subscribe button located on the wallpaper's detail page. This action tells Steam that you're interested in this wallpaper, and it will automatically begin to download it to your library. It's as simple as that. In just a few clicks, you've transformed your desktop with a spectacular new look. And there you have it, a straightforward way to enhance your workstation's aesthetics with Steam Workshop wallpapers. Thank you for watching, and happy customizing.